Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Meta rose by 3.9% this Monday, closing at $619.53. This increase was fueled by optimism surrounding Meta's plan to expand its AI footprint in India. The Australian stock market index traded at around $7,900 on Tuesday, driven by optimism that Donald Trump may adopt a more selective approach to tariffs. U.S. gasoline futures approached $2.20 per gallon, maintaining their upward trend this year, despite crude oil price pressures and concerns about domestic refining capacity. The euro hovered around the $1.08 mark, remaining below the 5-month high, as investors assess the latest remarks from ECB officials. Ether traded at around $2,040 this Tuesday, decreasing by 1.5% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost 12%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 9 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for March, following 85.2 in February. At 2 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 98.3 in February. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the new home sales of February, following minus 10.5% in January. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 7 a.m., the UK to release the annual inflation rate for February, following 3% in January. At 7:45 a.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in France is expected to increase, after reaching 93 in February. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the durable goods orders of February, following 3.1% in January.
And that's it for today's market news roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.